This is Xiaomi's new UI, and boy, it's beautiful. From the all-new look to insanely great-looking lock screens, this thing is beautiful. But what's actually new is it? It now goes by the name Xiaomi HyperOS, which it used to go as Mi OS in that sense. Let's go back a bit, right? From the starting of Xiaomi to its right now until recently, it was Mi OS. And look at the upgrades. Yeah, so mostly customization, lock screens, for example, and this is just beautiful, right? Lock screens for, say, too many lock screens, right? And here are some to change and play with around. Seems like I have seen these settings before somewhere. That's just for starters. And then we have small UI changes around the settings, the control center, and so much more. There are small UI changes that technically look good, more better than what they had before. And then one interesting spot. This is called something, not sure. It's like a dynamic island, but then it does look better, right? It doesn't support third-party apps. Hopefully it does. It's just in the starting stages, so be aware with me, right? All good, but each coin has an opposite side. Welcome to the evil side of, hey, HyperOS. Click that subscribe button, by the way. Let's talk about how they afford these cheap phones. I've made a bunch of videos and some of the YouTubers as well. They afford mainly through ads, mainly ads. While installing apps, you can see this kind of advertisement. And seriously, this is a big issue because sometimes I'm not able to show you exactly what ad comes on, but you get the point. It's not really PG, right? Well, not only that. Well, look at this. Nice lock screen, right? Oh, wow. A flower. Swipe. Oh, wow. New wallpapers? Really? No. Think again. It's all ads. You click the discover button and it takes you to an ad. All ads. And let's not talk about the already installed apps when you get the phone on, right? It's there and you can't do anything about it until you install it, right? You have no other choice except for installing those apps. Settings, right? Some of these settings are missing on the Xiaomi phones in general, right? We have my favorite, which is not there on any Xiaomi phone except for some, a notification history. And this is not so useful to some people, but then this is just an example, right? I might have another video coming up soon about how to get notification history. Don't let Xiaomi know. All in all, this is a great update, right? It has so many good looking features from lock screens to control settings, UI and stuff, and the dynamic island thing. Hopefully they bring some more, not like iOS or something. But then, hey, stay techy. And this software might actually be good.